Well, it's time for an upgrade. Going from the 18 tooth to the 54 tooth. There's the 54 tooth pack right there, 2 springs and 2 gears and some grease. Need some gloves, paper towels, and then lint-free cloth. And we're gonna take the wheel off. Pretty simple. Just take that off. Yes, I already had it broken loose. Yes, my derailleur's already locked in place. Chain's loose. We'll take this off and call it good. Well, around. Slide the axle back in so it's out of the way. There you go. It's off. All right, found it's easier just to grab it with the whole wheel and just pull. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. There we go. There's a spring, gear, drop the spring. Okay, maybe need something a little more to grab that other gear with. Spacer. Another problem with gloves. Okay, set that down. Where'd the spring go? That's all right. Multi-tool. Got the other gear. And I got the spring. Go. Set it all down. I'll find the spring in a minute. Okay, clean that out. Right here. Clean this out. Clean. Lint-free. Just get it all cleaned up. Okay, looks pretty clean. What do you think? All right. Oh, let's see. Perfect. Okay. Just put a little grease on here. Just a little bit on there, all the way around. Nothing too heavy. There we go. It's all the way around. And a little bit in here. Stuff probably comes out a lot easier when it's warm. Okay, this one. All right, rub that around. Another way you can do this, get the gears to mesh a little bit, just put them on your fingers and spin them around. Now I got the grease in there, more grease in there. Okay, Now we're just going to put a little bit on our fingers. Grab the spring. Remember, see how the spring tapers? Tapered side goes towards the gears. So we slide this first one in. Let's not forget our spacer. Wipe the spacer off. Slide the spacer on there too. Okay, so our gear set. Smooth side in, smooth side out. You know what? Should probably put a little grease on those teeth in there. So now we take the tool, pull that all back out. Back out. And there's the spring. That didn't work that well. Let's just squeeze it in from here. Take that, spread it around. Now we'll go back. There we go. All right, so now let's put it back on. Nice thing is yeah, put it on the right way. There. No, just get the torque wrench and call it a day. That's it.